Alright, welcome back. Today we'll be taking a look at the fourth day of factor label method, English to metric conversions. So the English system is the system we use here in America, so it's the one we are most familiar with. Inches, feet to miles, quarts, pounds, gallons. Again, these are the conversions that we use in everyday life here in the United States. So being able to convert from the metric system to the American system sometimes comes in quite handy. So that's what we're taking a look at today. These values here, listed up above, are going to be given to you on tests. You do not have to memorize these. They're there for you. You can simply look up, and the question is being able to convert from one to the other. So that's kind of the trick. That's kind of going to be the question, and let's take a look at a couple of examples of doing just that. So first question here, Billy has a mass of 65.2 kilograms. What would his weight be in pounds on Earth's surface? Okay, interesting question. So we're looking for pounds. So there's pounds. Right here, 1 pound, 1.00 pounds is equal to 454 grams. You'll notice I've got it underlined. This is your metric to American conversion here. So question mark pounds. What will his weight be in pounds? There's pounds, question mark pounds. He has a mass of 65.2 kilograms. That's what they gave us. That goes here. All right, our question is set up. Let's use some factor label. We know that kilograms is going to go on the bottom. It has to. We need to get it canceled out. I look up here. I do not have a kilograms to pounds conversion. Instead, I need to go to grams. I do have a grams to pounds. So I have to think, okay, kilograms to pounds, I can do that. Kilo means 1,000, so 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram. Kilograms is canceled out, and now we can go from grams to pounds. Again, grams is going to go on the bottom. I need it to cancel out. So grams is on the bottom. Now it cancels out, and now I've successfully converted from kilograms to pounds. The only unit I have left is pounds, the old LB. That's what I wanted. It's why I set up the problem the way I did. And so there we go. Now we can plug this into our calculator. 65.2 times 1,000 divided by 454. And I got 143.612 pounds. You'll notice the digits underlined. That means they're not significant. I only want 3 significant digits, 6, the 5, and the 2. So I'm going to round that 143.6. 6 is enough to round up. So 144 pounds. There's our final answer. We put our red box around it. On to the next question. How many milliliters are present in 2.3 quarts of soda? Again, before we do anything else, let's set our question up properly. Question mark, milliliters, equal to, so we're looking for how many milliliters, equal to 2.3 quarts of soda. Now we're ready to go. We can go straight from quarts to liters. So that is a conversion that we have from the American system, the English system, quarts, to the metric system, liters. 1.06 quarts in a liter. Quarts cancels out. Now we just have to go from liters to milliliters. And that hopefully is becoming an easier and easier conversion. There are 1,000 milliliters in 1 liter. Only 2 significant digits, so I'm going to round my answer to 2,200 milliliters. All right, our final example here, convert 20.0 millimeters per second, just meters per second, to miles per hour. Again, I'm going to set this up just like I've set up some other ones. Question mark miles per hour, that's what I'm looking for, equal to meters, 20 meters per second. Now I have my choice. I could either go meters to miles first or seconds to hours. I prefer time. I think it's easier to work with the time. So we go seconds to minutes, Seconds cancels out. And then minutes to hours. So these are conversions I find easier personally. So I start with those. Seconds to minutes, minutes to hours. The 60 goes on the top, which means we'll multiply it at the end. But first, we have to get our distance correct. We're working with meters. We want miles. Again, you'll notice the conversion here up top, 2.54 centimeters per inch. So I need to convert meters to centimeters to get to my 2.54 centimeters. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Now that I have centimeters, I can go to inches. Now that I'm into the English system, the American system, hopefully we're all comfortable with going from inches, 12 inches in a foot. So inches have canceled out. And then finally, 5,280 feet in a mile, 5 tomatoes. So there's our conversion from feet to miles. Now we need to plug it into a calculator. 20 times 60 times 60 times 100 divided by 2.54 divided by 12 divided by 5,280. We only want 3 significant digits. 3 is not enough to round up, so we'll keep this as 44.7 miles per hour. There's some examples, but hey, it's all about practice. So go take a look at your homework. We'll see you tomorrow.